In this video, I'm going to show how to set up the Traveler's Coffee Kit in less than a minute. The kit comes in a canvas travel bag, and it's very compact. It's about 8.5 inches long, or actually about 8 inches long if you push in the canvas, by about 4 inches wide, by about 5 inches. And it's very light. It weighs around 0.75 pounds, so that's only about 12 ounces, or 0.32 kilogram. So all you do is take the kit out of the bag and separate the cups, and the plastic filter is protected inside the aluminum stand. So that's one of the key features of this product, that it won't get crushed in an airplane baggage area or on a bus or somewhere while you're traveling. And then all you do is slide the filter out and slide these two tabs in the holes on this side of the filter. And then you just place the filter over one of the cups. And if you prefer not to have these graphics on these stainless steel cups, they're easy to remove. We show how to do that on our website, because they're nice stainless steel cups. Okay, and then the kit was made large enough, the stand, to use a larger cup you might have at home, like a nice porcelain cup, your favorite coffee cup. You know, just find one that's not too large, that'll fit inside. And yeah, so that's about it for setting up the kit. It's very simple. So as you can see, it's great for traveling or camping. So you could always have a good cup of coffee the first thing in the morning, no matter wherever you are. Okay, so in the next video, I'll show how to use the pour over. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye.